Welcome to the BCAN that I affectionately have called
The Beast.
This is a beauty rebounder. I am just trying it out for the first time and I am so happy with it. I chose the black and the green bungee. There is a combination out there for everybody. Not everybody, everybody. So BCAN stands on the principle that exercise should be a delightful experience and not a mundane routine. And I couldn't agree more. At Kate's Home Fitness, I strive to make fitness fun for you so that you keep coming back. Watch the rest of this video and see some of the moves that you can do on a mini trampoline such as this, the Beast.
Athletic stance, basic bounce. Alternating front kicks. Butt kickers. Bar moves. Rapid heel clicks. Modified knee tucks. Modified leg lifts. Planks and mountain climbers. V-sit bounce. Push-ups. Kneeling lean backs. Reverse crunches. Tricep dips. Strength and cardio. Kettlebell. Dumbbell workout. Cardio moves like tuck jumps, around the world's core moves, running in place, and so much more. BCAN mini trampolines provide you with a full spectrum workout in the comfort of your own home. Come work out with me at Kate's Home Fitness. Home fitness made fun.